It's like, be biased for your strong principles. Never change your principles. Be flexible on vision, like achieving vision, but be strong on principles. Bad results. What are bad results? There is a formula. Most people focus on tactics. They sell tactical courses, knowledge on Facebook, Google, and all, but they don't focus on principles, strategies, tactics plus actions. Then you will get a bad result. When you focus only on tactics, how you will get a lot of customers and they pay you, and you don't add value, you don't have strong values, principles, you don't add value, and then you don't have ecosystem, you don't have a right strategy, you don't take actions, and then you will get they will get bad results. They will go away from you, right? They will not take your product. It is just based on money.